Hi, we are going to show you how to fix the quick release system, okay? There is a fabric problem, but it's really easy to fix, okay? This is how it comes to you, okay? Like this. But as you can see, the male part is coming with the two pieces. And the female part comes with this big one, okay? So the right way of coming is the male on the big one and the female on the two parts one. As you can see, this is the right one, this is the wrong one. On the other way, this is the right one, and this is the wrong one. So the way to fix it is really easy. You need to unsew, okay, take off the sewing of these two parts here, and also these two parts here. And you need to exchange them. As you can see, with a simple cutter or with a simple knife, you can unsew these parts here, take it off, unsew these two parts inside, okay, take them off, and the only thing you have to do is to change the plastic parts. Take the female to the two parts, okay, and then sew them up here, and the male part you need to put this too, and both of these pieces into the big one. Then sew them up, and that's all. You have the right part of the males and the right part of the females. That's really simple. It's really cheap, and we will help you to do so, okay? Any doubt or anything you want to know more, you just need to ask to us, and we will fix any other problem you can have with this set. But I can assure you that it's fitting perfect, and you will have a really good system really soon.